Okay, so hi dear Virgo, very good evening to you guys. This is you versus them current energy check-in for all the Virgo Sun Moon Venus rising. This is current energy check-in. There's no timeline. Whenever you are going to watch it, it's applicable for you guys. Okay, if you want to be a reader like me, you can purchase my tarot reading course. Links are given below in the description box for the same. For Ho'oponopono Masterclass and Self Love course too, and for personal reading and healing sessions too. Everything is given below in the description box. So let's start, Virgo. On your side, let's see what we have. We have the Nine of Wands, the Death card, and the Queen of Pentacles. You're healing. You're healing. You're in a major healing era of your life where you are not feeling blocked by anything or anyone. Yes, you are still hurt, but you're transmuting this hurt and this pain into something very meaningful, something very grounded and mature that you can work with in your life. So basically, you got your lessons, you got your blessings from all the experiences that you had till this point of your life, and you're growing, you're healing in a very mature and very grounded way, and you're working on yourself. You are like sitting in your power. So you are like, I'm done with this hurt and pain. I'm done with this feeling blocked all the time kind of energy. I'm done with the games. Now I'm going to heal myself. Now I'm going to be mature and grounded in my energies and take the charge of my life in my own hands. This is your current energy, and this is what your side of the story is. Let's see the energy attached to you. Yeah, you're kind of done being hurt all the time, being in the trapped kind of energies all the time. You are transforming on a very deeper level, and you're becoming more and more mature and stable and grounded with each passing day. And you're learning how to stay in your power and be happy with yourself. It's all about self love, self care, self healing right now for you guys. The energy attached to you, we have the Hanged Man, the King of Pentacles, the Three of Wands. They are like coming after you. They're coming after you. They are kind of trying to see things from a different perspective, from a different angle. The way you are growing, the way you are taking the charge of your life in your own hands, they're trying to do that. They're trying to figure out a way to do exactly what you are doing so that they can also be healed, and so that they can also be in a very mature and grounded kind of energy. When it comes to this situation, they're one foot in, one foot out of the situation, not completely gone, not completely here. They're looking forward to have a very bright future, very good future, with or without you. But for this situation, they're kind of getting inspired by you a lot. Like, I should do like Virgo is doing. I should take the charge of my life back in my own hands. But they're not able to fully let it go, but they're not fully into the situation. That's what's happening energetically between you guys. The roles can be reversed also. Please keep that in mind. I forgot to tell you guys that. Let's see for the connection where this is going, what is happening. We have the Ten of Pentacles, the Knight of Pentacles, the Magician. Wow. There's a manifestation going on behind the scenes where one of you is manifesting a happily ever after kind of a deal, a stable, mature, grounded, loving, caring, nurturing kind of family kind of dynamic. Now, this manifestation can come to fruition only and only when both of you are going to be on the same level of understanding. I think, Virgo, this is your energy. There are lots of pentacles. It's definitely your energy. You are manifesting a brand new chapter where you are going to be with the one who is meant for you. And you're letting go of some person, some situation, some energies out of your life, out of your system, but not completely in this energy of, okay, letting it go completely. You are in this energy of, if it is meant to be between me and this particular energy that I'm attached to, it will happen naturally, organically, or otherwise it will dissolve. And if it is not, I am going to manifest the love of my life slowly but surely. So right now this connection is stagnant because right now your priorities have changed, your energies are shifting, and they are behind you, whoever you are attached to, but they're not fully there yet. That's why you guys are not able to come on the same page and create the stable base for this relationship. That's why I do see you with you only, and with your manifestation, with your goal. For you, the guidance is the Two of Swords. There will come a time where you are going to be very much in this energy of, I don't know, I'm not able to find the solution. I'm not able to see the clear cut picture of the future ahead of me. That's completely fine. Nobody can actually. Okay. But instead of giving your mind more power, try to stay aligned with your path. Try to stay true to yourself, that you want somebody by your side who's going to be there for you for the long term, and it's going to take time. So keep on working on yourself. Be the stable, mature, and grounded kind of energy first, and then you will be able to attract that kind of energy towards you naturally and organically. You don't have to chase. All you have to do is do your own thing, and you will be able to attract. And these distractions, these negative thoughts, this up and down kind of energy, they're part and parcel of your life. Don't ignore them, feel them, and release them. Okay, cool. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Virgo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you.